Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day today. Made a whole lot of progress from these lows down around this area. It did ultimately have a pretty bearish afternoon with a bigger pullback here. So the question mark becomes, is this the beginning of the end? Is that, kind of game over? Was a nice gap up this morning? Was that just kind of a dead cat bounce? And all of that remains to be seen, but the level that's really going to be helpful in answering these questions is this level right here at 2650, which is where the first update needs to come into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's what 2650 is now going to be, a support. And you definitely want to see it act as support for this reason. I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 2650, break down below it, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, all of a sudden, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, but the difference being that all of a sudden eventually works its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have in that situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 2650. In terms of areas of resistance, key level remains right up there at that $30 mark. So keep it close, actually $30.25 to be more exact. So right there around the $30.25 mark is going to be, nope, I lied. What is that? Excuse me, $30.50, right around $30.50 going to be that main battleground to watch moving forward. But really, in my mind, the big priority is, can the price show signs of progress by staying above 2650? Let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.